The good news, GIFT Nifty is seen consolidating with positive indicating Nifty may grind higher in today's trade. Well, this morning's optimism is on backdrop of sole positive wall cues in overnight trade. That said, all investors' eyes will be on Friday's August US jobs report. Meanwhile, the theme at our stock markets revolves around the GST Council, which approved 5% and 18% for most items, along with a 40% special rate for sin goods. That brings us to the big question of the day: is the hype over big GST cuts have somehow fizzled out? Honestly speaking, the adage, buy the rumor, sell the news, was into play in yesterday's trade. Blame some part of the profit booking to many a sectoral index which had flared up 5% since PM Modi's Independence Day announcement on the big bang GST reforms. Some segment of the market was also cautious amidst questions of proper execution of the GST reforms. Well, that brings us to our call of the day, which suggests the next-gen GST reforms should strengthen the case for a consumption-led recovery, with auto and consumption expected to benefit the most. But having said that, the broader and macro outlook still is vulnerable to global macro uncertainties, especially on the Trump's US tariff of 50% on India and, most importantly, the persistent FII's outflows. Long story short, confirmation of strength only if Nifty closes above its biggest hurdles at 25,155 mark. Until Nifty to 5155 mark is a hurdle, expect volatility and volatility to the preferred theme at Dalal Street. Bottom line, Nifty's bull case is likely to get louder only above 25,155 mark. Market trends. The global cues are negative. In yesterday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 106 crores, while DII were net buyers to the tune of Rs 2233 crores. Bullish sentiments are likely to prevail for Nifty. Market breadth for the day is likely to be neutral positive. Nifty's technicals still suggests massive rebound play. FANO September month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 24,000 and 25,500 zone. India VIX, the fear index, is languishing near 10.85 levels. At last check, USD INR, September, slipped near 88.14. Nifty PCR, 30th September, is at 1.109 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 30th September, is at 0.87. Nifty outlook, bullish consolidation could be the preferred theme for the day. Nifty's biggest support still seen at 24,336 mark, low as on 8 August 2025. Nifty, CMP to 4734. Biggest interweek support for Nifty is now placed at 24,336 on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed at 25,155 mark on closing basis. Range for the day is likely to be between 24650 and 24900. Bias for the day is positive. Sensex, CMP 80718. Biggest interweek support for Sensex is now placed at 79,741 mark on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at 82,300 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 80,300 and 81300. Bias for the day is positive. Bank Nifty, CMP 54075. Bank Nifty's biggest intraday support at 53,561 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 54,700 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 53,700 and 55100. Bias for the day is positive. Stock market news. Our call of the day suggests a quieter but powerful bullish consolidation could be the preferred theme. We will spy with one big eye if Nifty can close above the psychological 25,000 mark. The good news is that the Federal Reserve's 17 September rate cut is still on the table despite sticky US PCE inflation data. Stocks in spotlight. 1. Netweb Technologies India Ltd rose 5% in yesterday's trade after the company bagged a Rs 1,734 crore order for the supply of server. 2. The stock price of life insurance companies received drubbing even after Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman slashed tax rates on individual health and life insurance premiums, cutting the tax from 18% to 0. HDFC Life, minus 2.86%, SBI Life, minus 1.08%, ICICI Prudential Life, minus 1.57%, Star Health, minus 1.81%. The street suspects the move will be a benefit for consumers, however, uncertainty remains around input tax credit relief for insurers. Also, the IRDAI is likely to have advised insurance companies to reduce their dependence on the bancassurance channel for business. 3. The Nifty Auto Index was star outperformer of Thursday's trade, gaining 0.85% and flirting with its highest level seen in nearly 11 months. Auto stocks were in spotlight after the GST Council approved a slew of reforms to the tax regime. The GST Council reduced the GST rate on all small cars from 28% to 18%. This includes petrol, LPG or CNG cars with engine capacity up to 1,200 cubic centimeters and length up to 4,000 millimeters, and diesel cars with engine capacity up to 1,500 cubic centimeters and length up to 4,000 millimeters.